We are getting ready to celebrate Eid, and to do that properly we are going to be cooking this beautiful lamb tenderloin with jeweled rice and saffron yogurt, a real gourmet recipe that is going to make everybody's mouths pop. So let's get started. Pat the lamb dry with kitchen paper. Using a small sharp knife, trim any silver membrane off the lamb. Peel and crush the garlic. Chop the parsley. Wash the lemon thoroughly and grate its zest with a fine blade, taking care to avoid its bitter white pith. In a small bowl, combine a generous drizzle of olive oil with the crushed garlic, chopped parsley, and the appropriate amount of grated lemon zest. Wash and drain the basmati rice. Peel and chop finely the onion. Chop the apricots and figs roughly. Split the cardamom pods open with the back of a knife. Discard the pods, keep the seeds. Boil the measured water and dissolve the stock cube in it. Heat a pan over a medium heat with a drizzle of oil. Fry the onion with a pinch of salt for about 5 to 8 minutes until nice and translucent. Add the drained rice, cardamom seeds, turmeric and cinnamon stick and stir for 2 minutes. Then add the stock, apricots, figs, cranberries and pistachios. Bring to a simmer and cover with a lid. Cook for 12 to 15 minutes. Keep covered until serving. Meanwhile, combine the yogurt and the infused saffron in a bowl. Season with a pinch of salt. Mix well and set aside. Halve the pomegranate. Hold each pomegranate half over a very large bowl. Seeds facing down and hit the skin with a wooden spoon, squeezing a little to release the seeds. Season the lamb with salt and pepper. Heat a pan with a drizzle of oil. Fry the lamb for 4 to 7 minutes until browned and cooked to your liking. Once it's almost done, add the garlic, parsley and lemon oil and cook for a final 30 seconds or until the lamb is coated. Transfer to a plate and rest for 5 minutes. Divide the rice among plates. Top with the rested lamb tenderloins. Garnish with the pomegranate seeds and serve with the saffron yogurt. Enjoy! So I've really enjoyed cooking this recipe. It's been fast, the kitchen smells beautiful, and it really sets the right tone to celebrate the end of the holy month. And I'm gonna dig into it. If you like this video and want to see more, then subscribe to our channel. But for now, bon appetit and Eid Mubarak.